Hi everyone, I am Jo from Jo's Paradise of Colour, and this is my biggest order yet. So I have spun all of these. I have dyed half of them. This is only half of the order. The other half I have to wet set. This half I am steaming, and I am hoping to get the entire lot into one video for you. So I hope you enjoy. I will be putting music on, and I will be speeding it up because this is going to take me a long time. So please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not and you enjoy this type of stuff. And hit the all notification bell if you would like to see when I upload first. And let's get into it. Steaming art yarns like double ply slubs, super coils and single slub, and super beehives make it more plumper, clean. It doesn't felt the yarn, and it looks just as good as when it comes off the wheel. I will do a couple passes of each, then turn them over, do another couple passes, and continue until they're all complete. Look how plump that is. Just took 2.5 hours to complete. I am tired. As you can see, they're a lot more plumpier and got more volume and look more softer, and yeah. So So I will let this sit and dry overnight. Should only take an hour. Half of them should be already dry and ready to be skeined up again. Hi, I will be sharing how I wet set yarns that are like double ply or beaded. So I like to use a Wool and Delicates Essentials Eucalyptus Fresh. This is Earth Choice wash. And then I take the tags off. And then open it up. You want it to be hot water. And get rid of all the bubbles on top. And then you saturate it. Squeeze all the air out of it. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Then you take it out. I run my hand down the bottom to the bottom, squeeze, squeeze, and then loosen it up. If you do have a spin dryer, you can put your yarn into that and get as much water out as possible, and then it will dry faster. I just hang it up until I'm ready to take a full load out to the line. This is my beaded yarn for Enchanted Forest. Now you've got to be really gentle with the beads, the beaded yarns. So it's going to be a soak and a gentle ring. No flicking because I don't want to break the glass beads. Signature yarn with the locks is also delicate. You can get a bit matted up in the locks when washing, so you've got to be very gentle not to rip them out of the yarn. So with as little touching as possible, you can hold it by one end and just wring it like this until it's fully saturated and opened up, and then leave it sit for 5 minutes. This is the same type as the last one. You've got to be very gentle not to pull the locks out and get tangled up. I'm done. Done all of them. I'm going to put them on my arm and take them to the line, and then I will take lots of pictures and put them at the end. So I hope you all enjoyed this one. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not and you enjoy this type of content. Plus you enjoy learning how to spin your own yarns, all the different techniques, how to dye, and watch me weave. If you're new to the channel and if you're old, as you're a returning supporter of mine, or someone that has stuck around for a long time, hi! I now have another channel called called Textile Crafts with Jay, where I also share my makes with my yarns, with my dyed yarns, and with floss and other things. So if you're interested in that, come and join me. Add the all notification bell so you get notified when I put out something first. Alrighty, bye for now. Bye.